So how did I turn mindless scrolling into a system that captures value and retains it so I can come back later to it? So social media is pretty bad. It eats all your day, it harms your concentration level, but you just cannot isolate yourself from it, because if you're like me, then you create content or you get inspiration with it, but you hate just mindlessly falling into the trap and not actually using that time and making the most of it. So this is where I step in. So I am a software engineer. I spend countless hours optimizing every aspect of my life, and I'm gonna be sharing this information right now that is gonna be saving you a lot of time and help you get even smarter. I'll be showing you today how to use Claude AI to extract any information from Instagram Reels so that you can save it and retain it. So many people don't know this, but your computer can actually listen to audio, and it does it for free. And before I show you how to do that, I want to make sure that you guys know who this is for. So do you currently go over Reels and sometimes you stumble upon really valuable content, so you decide to save it so you can come back to it later, but later never comes and you just forget about it and you want to retain that information and value? Or you want to have like a library of knowledge, because some creators on the social media platforms are so knowledgeable and they always drip a little bit of knowledge in their reels because they have to create content, and you just can't, you just have to use it for your advantage because it's free. So what we're going to be doing is, let's say you stumble upon a good video. How are we going to do this? We're going to take the video, share it with the link, and send it to Claude AI. And Claude AI is going to listen to the video and just extract all the information so you can come back to it later, and we're going to have a system like a library, and you're going to be able to come back to it easily. So we're going to start with a new folder, and we're going to get Claude code inside that folder. And next, we're going to give Claude this GitHub repository that is going to be able to download videos for you on autopilot. And with the downloaded file, it's going to transcribe it locally. And once it has the text, Claude AI can just extract the information and write it down for you. Now, after you prompt this and Claude does the job, you can test it by sending a link, and you can see that it works. You're gonna get a report, and it's gonna be having all the key points and the summary. So you can just read that and not watch the video with the hook and all the filter words, white noise, just pure value. Now I have to be honest with you, one last thing, the system is only gonna work on your computer, which is very limiting, because when you're scrolling reels, you're on your phone, you're not on your computer, right? So what you ideally want to have is a system that's going to be running from your phone. And to have that system, you must watch my video about how to make that happen, and it's going to be in the description. So go watch it and make this system more usable.